Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send USDC from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring assets like USDC has become even more seamless, but it's crucial to get the steps right to avoid any hiccups. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or moving funds for trading, this guide will walk you through it in no time. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Crypto.com and Bitrue, and that you have some USDC in your Crypto.com wallet. Start by logging into your Crypto.com app or website. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDC from your list of assets. This is where the magic begins. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the asset page. Before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network. USDC typically runs on the Ethereum blockchain, so ensure Bitrue is set to receive on the same network to prevent any lost funds. Now, enter the recipient's address. Head over to your Bitrue account, go to your deposit section, and copy the USDC wallet address. Paste that into the withdrawal form on Crypto.com, then specify the amount you want to send. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this. Hit Confirm and review the details carefully. Check for fees, which might vary based on network congestion in 2025. Once you approve the transaction, it'll be processed on the blockchain. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. After that, jump back to Bitrue and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your USDC should appear shortly. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security, and never share your private keys. Wrapping this up, sending USDC from Crypto.com to Bitrue in 2025 is a breeze with these steps. It's all about staying cautious and double-checking everything. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you in the next one.